Hi guys, it's me Jaye C here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will create a Foxy eye makeup. Let's get started. And for my foundation, I'll be using my all-time favorite is the Bourjois and the shade of 04 Beige. This one and the Essence, the Soft Cream 15. So I'm gonna mix these two. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna weten this using my MAC Factor. And don't forget your neck. Next, I'll be using a Maybelline Fit Me. This shade is, it's a Coconut Moka 355. So I'll be using this to contour my face. Let's blend this, darling. Kick-ass Fake Awake to highlight my face. Another beauty blender. Make sure it's clean. I'll be using a loose powder. Okay. Oh gosh. Under my eye. Bake that, baby. Okay. And let's proceed to the eyes. I'll be using number 7. It's a natural shade. So for the eyeshadow palette I'll be using is the Beauty Glazed. So nice. This shade. Using that shade. Now I'm gonna blend my Beige Cosmetic blending brush number 6. Using the darkest shade of this same brush on my Beige Cosmetic blending brush. foundation brush 190. I will clean this. I'll be using my brown eyeliner. Oh, my Essence eyeliner. There we go. And I will gonna add my upper lash line. For my lashes, I'll be using Makeup District. It's a very natural one. Now for my mascara, I'll be using it's Isadora Build Up Volume. You guys, I recommend you this one. You can see this. Wow, beautiful. And putting on my lower lashes as well. And on my lower lashes, as you can see, there's some smudge over there. I'll be using my number 7 in BH Cosmetic, this brush. And I'll be taking this Huda Beauty. I'll be taking this shade, Fix That Problem. Same brush, Beauty Glaze. I'll be using this 2 shade. Now next, I'm gonna remove this loose powder. I'm taking my ICING Point HD Foundation brush, number 7. It's a hypoallergenic contour kit. This is a medium dark. They are so noisy, so I'm gonna use this. Ooh, oh my god, I love this. This one to contour my nose. This shade. So what I'm gonna do is just, I want to define my nose. I'm gonna take my loose powder again. Just keep on blending. My sister's favorite, this is ICING. This is kind of a golden brown highlighter. And I'm gonna highlight this. This is number 3. So I think it's not showing, but it was there. I'm using Essence, a lip liner. A NARS lipstick in the shade of Dress to Kill. My Karisma Barely There 001. Not sure if you can see it. I really love the smell. Smell like vanilla. And the last but not the least, setting spray. I'm using MAC Factor X. Okay, you guys, we're done. everyone, it's shout out time. So shout out kay Nana Saligan, she is so pretty and she know that. Kay Barista Life, he's my cousin and he's so handsome. And CL Magic, I love you guys and thank you so much for all your support. Bye.